Welcome to my cooking video. Today we are cooking my favorite food, carbonara. It's a noodle dish. It's made with bacon and egg cream sauce. We are using spaghetti noodles, and first we are cutting the bacon. We are cleaning the lettuce. We are cooking for 4 persons, and so we eat also a little bit of salad. Today the salad is made of lettuce. The lettuce is grown in a cold frame. It's organic. It's from our farm, from our garden. My mother has planted it. To dry, we have this lettuce dryer. We were putting it there. Meanwhile, we cleaned the lettuce. The fire burned. We are putting wood in there so this can burn. And the water is boiling a little bit and it's warming up so we can put the noodles in soon. So the water is boiling. We're putting now the noodles in. We are putting now a bit of olive oil in, so the noodles taste a bit better and are not in one piece after. So meanwhile the noodles are cooking, we are making the sauce. It's made with the yellow of the eggs and cream. When we mix it all together, the sauce and the noodles, we are putting also bacon in it. So with the 5 eggs we put also in a glass of cream. By the way, the eggs are organic and free range from our chickens. We are putting also cheese in. And you hear the noodles are cooking. We are putting pepper and salt in it for the taste. Now we are mixing all together. The egg, the cream and the cheese. We are now finishing our lettuce. We put the salt, self-made aromatic salt in. We use also olive oil and balsamico. Now the noodles are ready. So now we fry the bacon lightly, and then we are mixing it all together, the sauce, the noodles and the bacon. Now we are putting the noodles in. Now we are putting the sauce in it. And then I think we have finished it. We are putting then a bit of cheese on it. And then we have finished our carbonara. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.